Class 2 Computer. Hello children. Today we will do chapter 3, Working of a Computer. In this lesson you will learn about working of machines, input, process, output. So children, let us learn first working of machines. How machines work. As you know, computer is a machine and we give the commands to process it. Okay, so let us find out how this washing machine work. Okay, first we will take dirty clothes as you see in the picture, then we will put in the washing machine. Okay, and this machine will process it and it will clean all the dirty clothes. Okay, so this is how washing machine works, or any other machine like a mixer grinder, juicer. You put fruits inside the juicer, it will process it, then it will give you juice from the fruits. So this is how it works. Now let us find how a computer works. A computer works on the input process output, also known as IPO cycle. What is IPO? I means input, P means process, O means output. So it is also called IPO cycle. You can see here the example. When we give instruction to the computer, for example 2 and 3, we will give some numbers. It is called instruction. We are commanding the computer, these are the two numbers. What we have to do now? We have to add this number. So it will come in the process. Okay. Then after processing, what is the process procedure? We will add the numbers 2 plus 3. Okay. Then what is the result? 2 plus 3 equals to 5. So this is the output process. Okay. We will give first instruction which comes in the input. Then we will add, or we will multiply, or we will subtract, whatever you want to do with these numbers, that comes in the process. Then what is the result coming out of that sum? That is called output. So computer works on IPO cycle, input, process, output. Now let us learn in detail what is input. Input is giving instructions to the computer in the form of numbers, letters or symbols. Examples of input are keyboard and mouse. You can see the picture here. Keyboard and mouse are the example of input. Next is process. After receiving the input, the computer performs action on it with the help of central processing unit. Central processing unit is called CPU. And what is CPU? I have already told you in the previous chapter also. It is known as the brain of the computer. Okay? It performs all the calculations. You see here the picture, CPU, which is the brain of a computer, and this is a CPU box. Okay? Then is output. Output is the result that we get after processing. Monitor and printer are examples of output devices. So you can see here output devices are printer and then is monitor. Okay. I hope you have understood the lesson. Let us learn about computer caution. Do not touch anything on the monitor with the finger, pencil or an eraser. Okay children, always remember this and keep your computer parts like monitor, CPU, whatever parts you see on your desk like keyboard, mouse, you have to take care of these things. You don't have to spoil it with your finger, pencil or any other eraser. Okay. Alright, let us do some exercises. Answer the following questions. How does a computer work? The answer is a computer works on input process output, that is called IPO cycle. Okay. Then question number 2, write the names of any input devices. Answer is keyboard and mouse. Question number 3, what is meant by output? The answer is output is the result after processing. Okay. Do all these questions in your notebook. Children, let us do some homework also. There are 2 questions. What is input? You have to read the chapter and write down the answer. Question number 2. Draw the IPO cycle as given in the book on page number 24. So do this homework and show me. Okay. Thank you.